Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and tapping your profile icon. This identifies which account holds the history. Once done, confirm or switch to the Google account you used previously, because history is account-specific. Next, tap Manage Apps and Device. That menu leads to Installed and Library records. Make sure your device is online so Play can sync. Without sync, you might see incomplete history. From here, Now you enter Manage and switch to the appropriate tab. Tap Not Installed to isolate apps you removed. Once in that view, use the filter icon to refine results by device, date, or category, which helps when you have many entries. You can also type the app name in the search field to jump straight to it. This is faster when you remember part of the name. Make sure to scroll. Play shows a long list, and lazy scrolling hides items until loaded. Finally, tap any app in the Not Installed list to open its store page and choose Install to restore it. That's the fastest recovery. If you prefer to tidy your record instead, open the three-dot menu on the app card and remove it from your library to stop it appearing. If the list looks wrong, make sure to sign out and back into your Google account, or clear the Play Store cache in Settings. These steps force a fresh sync and usually resolve missing history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.